from Western Tutor-Rama, where I've just been deputized by Sheriff GitWright, who has a real problem.
Darn tootin', I got a problem, Deputy Pickles.
Well, Sheriff, what's the matter?
Some varmint stole old Blue, my horse.
Oh, no. Well, hey, Sheriff, maybe there was a witness to the crime.
Shoot, I think you're on to something. Well, hey there, can I ask you a...
Oh, goodness, I seem to have dropped my handkerchief.
Is this yours, ma'am?
Oh, how silly of me. Thank you, kind sir.
My pleasure, ma'am.
Sheriff, that's no ma'am. That's your horse thief.
What tarnation? That's old Blue.
Curses! Foiled again!
So, horse thief, why'd you do it? Why take old Blue?
Well, he just looked so blue and so purty. I just had to make him mine.
Hey, calm down, calm down.
You know, the only thing would be better if I could have an old red or an old yeller.
Tell you what, I got a jail cell over there with a great view of the corral there, you thieving horse thief.
I'd prefer to be called a Caballo capturer. Thank you very much.
Wow. Well, you know what? I have a better idea.
Well, if it'll keep me out of the hoosegow, then yeehaw! Spill it, gal.
Yeah, let's hear this great idea of yourn.
Hi, I'm Miss Pickles, and we're back for the horse tutorial. I'm here with Sheriff GitWright and a reformed horse thief to teach them how to make a horse. Y'all ready?
We're ready.
All right, first off, grab a balloon. And what you're going to do, I've already got mine blown up, but the first thing you're going to do, is take it in your hands, hold both ends as carefully as you can so that you don't snap anybody, because it'll hurt, and you're going to stretch it. Just one time, stretch real good, and then if they're a little cold, I always wrap it up in my hand and just warm it up. That helps it from popping, keeps it from popping a little more, maybe. So then what you're going to do is take one of your pumps. You're going to slide the nozzle, the opening over the nozzle of the pump, pull it down a little bit so that when you pull it off, it'll give you something to hold on to when you tie it, because otherwise it can be a little tough. So hold it, pinch it right there at the tip, don't cover this up, and you're going to blow it up about this much air. So start pumping, and then a little bit more, Sheriff, a little bit more, stop, and then you stop. Perfecto. Now you're going to take it off, pinch it off so that no air gets out. This is the horse thief's very first balloon. And then tie it off. Uh-oh, somehow some air was escaping, so we're going to just pump that up. Pinch that off right there at the tip. Pinch it off. We're going to add a little bit more air because we don't want a dinky, shrunken little horse. Okay, get ready to let go. We're going to do a little bit more air. Perfecto. So pinch that off. And the easiest way to tie is stretch it over 2 fingers, put the nozzle in between, get your fingers out of there, and it's tied. That's the easiest way. You got it tied, Sheriff? And let's see if they're a pretty good size. They're pretty close. Pretty close, but let me show you a trick. You want a nice big horse, as big as you can get it. So if you have this much, you need it a bit uninflated because it's a lot of twist. So what you grab it and pull it, it will stretch the balloon. Let me see if it's about the same size now. See, they're the same size now? So here you go. How you doing, horse thief? We need a new name for you.
I'm struggling a little bit. Oh, my beard fell off.
He just got a clean shave. All right, here, let me help you out there. We'll call you Clem. How's that?
Clem, that's my middle name.
Excellent. What a guess. So we're going to grab this, stretch it over 2 fingers, and get that in there.
Well,
so
shoot,
now
you
it's
made
tight.
it look so easy.
And now I'm going to stretch it for you. So now you have a nice, pretty good sized horse. And look, you're going to have old yellow, you're going to have old red. Nice. So what you do first is you're going to pinch it and twist a little cute bubble. Just a little bubble about like that. Little tiny bit bigger. Smidge. He's going to have some big lips. That's going to be a big lip horse right there. But it's okay. Okay, and now this is a little bit tough. Maybe. You're going to grab this like grape-sized bubble and then just twist it in half. Twist it in half. So you've got 2. And they don't need to be the same size. I know it's kind of weird. And then keep holding it. Keep holding it. And you're going to take this tied part and wrap it around the two bubbles. So you've got these two, and we're just going to wrap it around a few times. You've got these two bubbles. You're just going to wrap that nozzle till you have run out of nozzle. So you've got two bubbles. They don't have to be the same size because this is going to be the horse's lips. Mwah, mwah. It's kind of tough, isn't it? You got it? Okay, you're going to take the nozzle. Very good. You're going to take the nozzle and wrap it around that big one at the bottom. Can you get that? You got it? Let's see. It's not the easiest one to make, let me tell you. This one is a little tougher. It's got some intricacies and some little sneakiness to it, so it's a little tougher. So we're wrapping this around. And as I said, if you've got one smaller, that can be like the bottom lip of the horse. The top one will be the top lip of the horse. There you go, Clem. So now we're going to make the horse's face. So here's his little lips. And then his face is going to be a little bit bigger. So about like that. See a bubble? You're just going to pinch it and twist it. So just pinch and twist about like that size face. Good. Let's see your face. Face a little bit big because you're going to make that a little smaller because you want to, you've got a lot of bubbles to make on this beautiful horse. So we have to hold this one and then twist the other one. So this is the part where it gets tough, Clem. So try to hang in there. But you only have to hold the face and then the latest one you're doing, okay? So we're going to make six small bubbles about like that size. So I'll make the first one. I'm sorry, wait, we're going to make the ears first. So two. This one. And then one more. Same size. So look, you don't need to hold these ones in the middle. Just the first one and the last one. So try to make them the same size if you can. So you're going to have two bubbles, same size.
Oh, I think I lost my face.
Don't lose your face. Okay, hold on. I'm going to twist these together. When you've got the face, two bubbles, and then the rest of it, I'm going to twist these together, the two ears. So you can see the lips, the face, and the two ears right there. So let's help you out here, Clem. Very good. We're just going to take the two ears, lift them up a little bit, and twist them together. Oopsie, so that they stay. Good job, Sheriff. All righty, so now it gets a little tougher. So squeeze the neck, squeeze. Just make it a little softer. It's just easier to do, makes the balloon more pliable. So about a good, nice sized neck, about like that. Okay? A good neck, not too long, because you want to make sure the rest of it, you're going to have enough balloon left for the rest of your horse. So twist that a few times. And whenever you twist the balloon, a bubble, make your neck a little tiny bit longer. So just let it go. There you go. And make it about like that. Make sure you twist about 4 or 5 times. You don't want to twist a little tiny bit because when you do these, there's 6 bubbles for the mane. When you make those, you're going to unravel them. So twist about 4 or 5 times each. So you're going to make 6 bubbles the same size as the ears, 6 of them. So only hold the neck and then the latest bubble that you're doing. So 1, 2. See how you can not hold, you don't have to hold these in the middle. 3, and keep twisting. It's kind of squeaky. Keep twisting. 4, we need 6 of them. 5, 6. When you've got all 6, hold the neck and the rest of the body and let the 6 bubbles roll up into your hands. Like that, or in the air. How many you got?
5.
Good. You got all 6? Excellent. So we're going to take the first one and the 6th one, twist it together. So you've got like a circle with those 6 balloons. Okay, and that's why you twist a lot, because it'll unravel. Don't worry about it, though. Okay? And then line it up. This is where it gets a little tiny bit tricky. So these 2 at the top, so number 3 and number 4 balloons. Here we go. I'm going to show you first, so just hold on before you do it. You're going to take those 2 at the top, and you're going to take them and slide them up on top of the ears. So the ears, pull them in between balloon number 3 and balloon number 4, and it will lock it into place. So you have a beautiful mane for your horse. You can see the mane going down the side. There you go, Sheriff. And if you don't twist enough, it can unravel, but you can get past that. Let me see if I can do it without it having an accident. Okay. Woo! Scary. Oh, then I just unraveled that one. That's okay. You're not going to worry about it because it could pop. But it's important to twist a lot or else these will unravel when you twist them together. They can unravel when you twist them together. Good job, Clem! Okay. So now the rest of it is easy because we have done the most difficult part, which is the horse's mane. So we're just going to make 2 legs. You know, a good sized bubble. So one, you're going to just fold it over so you can measure and make another one the same size and twist them together. So you've got the front legs of the horse. Don't make them too big or you'll run out of balloon for the rest of your body. So kind of eyeball it. Let's see what we're doing here. You might want to make them a tiny bit smaller because it looks like you've got a little less air. And it depends on whether you make the face bigger, the neck longer, the ears larger, how much room you'll have left for the rest of the horse. Okay? And then twist those 2 together. So make a second one.
Oh.
You having fun, Clem?
I surely am.
Excellent. How about you, Sheriff?
Yes, Deputy Pickles.
Nice. Okay, let's get this. Let's see. Okay, we're going to take your ears and put them through the top. Through number 3 and 4 to lock them into place. It's a little technical. So now we're going to make a nice bubble for the body, but eyeball it. You can probably make your body about right here. And yours can be a little smaller, about right there. So make a body. And you're going to make 2 back legs. Try to make them the same size as the 2 front legs. That's why we stretch it, because we want kind of a longer horse. As big a horse as you can get. And if he's got a nice tail left, that's good. And you can squeeze the air into the back so his little tail sticks out. And then you've got your horse, you can squeeze that to fill it out. Fill out the rest of the balloon and curve it a little bit. And if you have a marker, you can put a cute little face on him or whatever. So there's the horse. How you doing there, Clem?
Pretty good.
Twist those last 2 together.
Right.
This is really good. This is their first time. This one is a really semi-complicated one. So good job, guys. Make sure both legs are on the bottom and you've got the little tail at the back. And squeeze that to fill it up and just kind of curve it back. Everybody show their little horsey. You don't have to steal horses now. You got your own.
Oh, yower! Yeehaw!